Most beginner gardeners don't fail because they lack talent. They fail because nobody warned them about these simple mistakes. Overwatering, planting in the wrong spot, using the wrong soil, and one mistake that quietly kills more gardens than almost anything else. The good news? Every one of these mistakes is easy to fix once you know what to look for. So before you waste more money, time, or plants, here are 7 beginner gardening mistakes and exactly how to fix them. One of the biggest beginner mistakes is actually being too caring. New gardeners often water every single day because they think more water equals healthier plants. But most plants hate constantly soaked soil. Too much water suffocates the roots and can lead to yellow leaves, mold, fungus, root rot, weak growth, and sometimes complete plant death. Instead of watering on a strict schedule, check the soil first. Stick your finger about 2 inches into the soil. If it still feels moist, wait. A lot of beginners buy plants before understanding how much sunlight they actually need. And this mistake ruins gardens fast. Tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, and many vegetables need 6 to 8 hours of sunlight every day. Without enough light, plants become weak, thin, and stop producing properly. Before planting anything, watch how sunlight moves through your space during the day. Some areas may only get morning sun. Others stay shaded most of the afternoon. Matching the right plant to the right lighting condition changes everything. Many beginners think dirt is just dirt, but soil quality can completely determine whether your garden thrives or struggles. Poor soil drains badly, lacks nutrients, and makes roots weak. Instead of using random backyard dirt for everything, use soil designed for your gardening style. Container gardens need potting mix. Raised beds need nutrient-rich garden soil. Vegetables love compost-rich blends. Healthy soil creates healthy plants. It's one of the best investments you can make. This one surprises almost every beginner. Tiny seedlings don't stay tiny. Many gardeners pack plants too closely together because empty space feels wasted. But overcrowding creates poor airflow, mold, disease, smaller harvests, weak roots. Always check spacing recommendations before planting. Giving plants room to breathe actually helps them grow larger and healthier. Sometimes less really is more. Many beginners assume pests will simply go away on their own. Unfortunately, they usually multiply instead. Small pest problems can turn into major infestations incredibly fast. The best defense is catching problems early. Check underneath leaves regularly. Look for holes, discoloration, or sticky residue. Natural solutions like neem oil, companion planting, and proper airflow can prevent many issues before they become disasters. A plant that thrives in one climate may completely fail somewhere else, and beginners often buy plants simply because they look nice online. Start with plants known to grow well in your area. Pay attention to heat tolerance, frost sensitivity, humidity, growing season length. Local garden centers are often much better guides than random internet trends. This may be the biggest mistake of all. A lot of beginners quit too early. The truth is, gardening has a learning curve. Plants die sometimes, seeds fail, weather changes unexpectedly. Even experienced gardeners make mistakes constantly. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Every season teaches you something new. And over time, small improvements turn into thriving gardens, better harvests, and outdoor spaces you genuinely enjoy being in. The best gardeners aren't people who never make mistakes. They're people who keep learning from them. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Soil to Harvest for more DIY gardening ideas, backyard transformations, budget-friendly garden hacks, and beginner-friendly growing tips. And let me know in the comments, which gardening mistake have you made before? Your answer might help another beginner avoid it too.